Have you ever looked at something like a piece of glass and wondered what it took to make it? Or maybe you've wondered where it's gonna end up someday. Well, if you have, you're thinking of something called embodied carbon. Let me show you. Think of embodied carbon as the total carbon input of any material from the moment it's dug out of the ground until it ends up as something like this glass window. It's all about understanding how it affects our planet in the long run. Well, glass, just like anything else, goes through a journey from the materials to manufacturing and how it's used, all the way to its disposal. And like everything else, it leaves behind a carbon footprint. But here's the cool part. There are new technologies that are being created every day that are making all kinds of products way more eco-friendly. They're making better use of the materials, longer lasting, and also better performance. And the glass industry is no different. Glass industry leaders like Vitro Architectural Glass have made it their mission to develop and improve sustainable glass products that keep our planet's well-being in mind. From how they get and use raw materials to upgrading their equipment and facilities, improving processes, and upcycling glass, all the way to developing coatings that help reduce the negative impact of embodied carbon on the environment. Now, if you're a glazing contractor, architect, or project manager, you know this is a hot topic, and understanding the sustainable glass options is critical to set you apart. Because it's not just about having the best price or making the building look good, it's about our future. Plus, the building codes and the clients are starting to demand these products. And thanks to manufacturers that offer environmental product declarations, or EPDs, it's easier than ever to learn about the embodied carbon footprint of a certain product. So the next time you're working on a project, make sure you check out one of these sustainable glass options. And if you want to learn more about these sustainable products, make sure you check out that link in the description. And as always, to learn more about glass, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button here at the bottom. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.